Should I buy or sell metamaterials? The report for metamaterials was first published on our website Tuesday, November 15, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 21, 2022, our system ranks metamaterials as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.813. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 110.17% since we first told you to buy metamaterials 18 days ago. This is an average return of 6.12% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for metamaterials, our last headline reads, "Big movements in metamaterials stock price on Tuesday, moving 13.79% between high and low." The metamaterials stock price gained 11.23% on the last trading day, Tuesday, November 15, 2022, rising from $1.68 to $1.87. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.79% from a day low at $1.74 to a day high of $1.98. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 62.49% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 25 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $46.75 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.63, and the lowest price was $0.630. Right now the price is 59.64%, or $2.76, below 52-week high, and 91.41%, or $19.89, below all-time high June 21, 2021, where the price hit $21.76. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 47.39% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -26.86% and 47.39%. The 12-month trend indicates a -49.44% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -90.35% and -37.35%. This equals a price between $0.180 and $1.17 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, metamaterials stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a buy and price to book a buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for metamaterials. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The metamaterials stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.51 and $1.04. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 193.67%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see Short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for metamaterials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.68 and $1.62. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, metamaterials find support just below today's level at $1.68. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.62 and $1.46. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.240 between high and low, or 13.79%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 17.91%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, metamaterials finds first level of support at $1.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for metamaterials is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 11, 2022, Rice Kenneth LJR made an inside buy of 68,830 of stock option, right to buy. On November 11, 2022, Waldern Jonathan made an inside buy of 904,826 of stock option, right to buy. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside sell of 500,000 of exchangeable shares. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside buy of 500,000 of common stock. On October 21, 2022, Waldern Jonathan made an inside buy of 902,394 of stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 8.423. In total, the insiders bought 19,478,686 and sold 16,776,017 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.80, minus 3.52%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 31 days ago. Is metamaterials stock a buy? Metamaterials holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 16th, we expect metamaterials to open down $0.0057 and start trading at $1.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to